Hello friends, welcome back to Nobita Creations. Today I am showing how to make Mysore Rasam. For that you need 1 tomato, 1 lemon size tamarind, 2 tablespoons of tur dal or kandipappu or yellow split peas, 13 pepper seeds, black pepper seeds, 1 by 4 spoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 2 spoons of dhania or coriander seeds, half spoon of coconut, grated coconut, 1 spoon of black pepper and cumin, salt as much as you needed, half spoon of red chilli powder and half spoon of black mustard seeds. First we need to take half cup of water and we need to add tamarind to the water and we need to soak this for 1 hour. While we are soaking the tamarind, we need to take a dry pan. We need to add dhania seeds or coriander seeds to the pan. We need to dry roast these coriander seeds on low flame for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we need to add cumin seeds in it. After adding cumin seeds, we need to dry roast them for 10 seconds. Now we need to add black pepper seeds and we need to dry roast them for another 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we need to add methi seeds or fenugreek seeds and we need to dry roast them for another 10 seconds on low flame. After 10 seconds, we need to add black mustard seeds and we need to dry roast them for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, we need to turn off the stove and let them cool down for 10 minutes. While we are cooling them off, we need to take tur dal or kandipappu in a pan and we need to dry roast them for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes dry roasting our tur dal, they slightly changed the color. So we need to turn off the stove and we need to let them cool for 15 minutes. After cooling them off these ingredients and tur dal, we need to make them as a powder. Now our Mysore rasam podi is ready. We are going to make rasam with this Mysore rasam podi. Now we need to take a pan and we need to add half spoon of oil. Once the oil is heat enough, we need to add mustard and cumin seeds in it. Once the mustard seeds splatter like this, we need to add tomato pieces to the pan. Now we need to add salt, chili powder, and we need to cook them for 5 minutes. While we are cooking tomatoes, we need to take tamarind water and we need to remove tamarind pulp from tamarind soaked water. We need to prepare tamarind soaked water like this. Now we need to remove this tamarind pulp from tamarind water. After 5 minutes, we need to add tamarind soaked water and some turmeric powder, some coriander stems, if needed, add some more water into this. We need to add our homemade Mysore rasam powder, which we made with tur dal, coriander seeds, methi seeds, mustard seeds, and chili powder, and salt, and um, cumin seeds. We need to add 3 tablespoons of rasam powder in our pan. And we need to cook this rasam for 15 minutes on low flame. We can store this remaining Mysore rasam powder for 2 weeks in airtight container. After 15 minutes, the bubbles are coming. I am checking whether salt is good or not. Salt is less, so I am going to add some more salt in it. I am adding some more salt in it and I am going to cook this for 2 more minutes, and then our yummy tasty Mysore rasam is ready, which we can have with idli, upma and rice. In winter it will be very useful to get rid of from cold, cough fever or from digestion problems, if you have this rasam, you don't get digestion problems at all. After 2 minutes, the bubbles are coming and the quantity of rasam is reduced and tomato is also softened. So we need to turn off the stove and our tasty yummy Mysore rasam is ready. Now our tasty yummy Mysore rasam is ready and we can pour some grated coconut in it when it is hot. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share Novita Creations. Please hit the bell icon once you subscribe my channel to get future video notifications from my channel.